All right, we're going to make a second recording here at 7549 25th Avenue Northwest to illustrate their backup they're experiencing. Come down initially through a section of SDR35 PVC that's open. Just going down the clean out from the south side of the home. So this is a clean out on the south side of the home. You get about 20 some feet down the line and start going into backup. The line is then backed up for until about this point, the 53-54 foot mark. At this point, I've located it out under the sidewalk in the exact same location that the line next door has experienced this liner folding clogging problem. So I'm going to come back from here. That's the end of the recording. I just wanted to illustrate the clog.